Yesterday of us buried up to our heads in the sand at Hawaii.
Oh, jeez. That was at sand dunes, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's a little harder to do that in dirt, you guys.
Hey, wait, you got it. You can pick it. You look like you got a goatee. Quit looking it. Doesn't he? Yeah, he does. Yeah, did you get a picture of this goatee your son's got at the age of 5? Rachel's gotten hers washed.
Yeah, Rachel
You
had
look
hers
like
washed.
hitting mountain kids.
Come on, guys.
Just a
Are
little.
those your socks?
Yeah, my hand cut so I can handcuff the bear. No. I can handcuff the bear. No. You bring it, and one was don't handcuffing the bears. Your handcuffs. I can bring them. He can. And my daddy can. What? Why do you guys handcuff the bear? Well, I can handcuff the bear. Oh. Yeah. My dog. Daddy says Ivy.
Joe,
What?
what did Sarah say?
Which one is easier way to go down?
Maybe a good idea.
Yeah. That's a good idea, Sarah.